This is a how-to video of how to hook up the vacuum system on the Proyama 26cc handheld blower. It is very simple. Forgive my audio, it's very windy today, so just bear with me. Alright, on this side right here is just this little swivel nut, twist nut, and it's hard to do with gloves on. I'm having to wear gloves because it's pretty cold today. And you just sit there and take this loose. It's hard enough whenever you have pretty large hands, but it makes it even worse whenever it's cold and you can't feel what you're doing. And there you go. And then that folds down. It is spring loaded, so it will come back up. But you take your attachment, fold that down. It is grooved and slotted. You have little step ups right here that you're going to match up with the groove. We'll put that on. Now also, let me point out, you see those blades in there? This also has a mulching feature. This is an activation switch for those blades to turn on. So whenever you slide this tube in place, it activates that switch in order for that mulching feature to work. So once you've pushed it down all the way, you give it a twist to lock it in. Now, to put the bag and feature on, I got to take this screw off. I do have a little screwdriver on me. I don't know if it's going to work though. I may have to come back with a different screwdriver. This may work. It is a very, very small flathead. It probably is not going to work. Hold on, let me go get a Phillips head. Okay, we're back. Got my Phillips head. Anyway, it's very simple. You actually don't have to put this screw in. It's just a retaining screw. I like to put it in there because it beats around on the back of my truck or on my lawn care trailer. So I like for it to be supported in there. And then once you get that set screw out, you're just going to twist it back off. I may not have it out for it, huh? Nope. There we go. And then you're going to put this back on. So this is your leaf catcher, and it also has a zipper on it and has a little sling so you can throw it over your shoulder. And you're just going to line it up with the grooves as well. Actually, let me throw this to the back. There we go. Then line it up to the grooves and lock it down. And you can put that screw in if you'd like. I'm going to leave mine out for right now because I'll end up putting the blower back together. But let's crank her up and see how she works. I'm going to back this up and bring the camera closer. All right, let's crank her up and let her eat some leaves. Yep, I'll turn the switch back on. And make sure I have the bag sealed. she gets full, you just unzip it and dump it. And as you can see, those leaves are mulched up really nice. This is something that would come in very handy for cleaning out flower beds without putting too much pressure on your delicate plants. Anyway, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you're looking for a good blower, especially one that has the dual vacuum feature, y'all check out the Proyama 26cc handheld blower on Amazon. Have a good one.